Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well. Today, our lesson Migration to Abyssinia. Our lesson steps as usual, we recite Holy Quran and learn a dua. Watching a video about migration to Abyssinia. At the end of the lesson, our plan. The time of dua. Let's read the dua in Arabic, then in English. ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. Our Lord, grant us from yourself mercy and prepare for us from our affair right guidance. Our learning objective today to conclude the reasons for migration of Muslims to Abyssinia. Who's very good can tell me who the first person who converted to Islam from man and woman? How was the call for Islam in the first 3 years? How did the people of Quraysh react to the call of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? What is the name of the transportation Muslims used to migrate to Abyssinia? In which continent is Abyssinia? What is called now?
Migration to Abyssinia. When it became difficult for the Muslims of Mecca to bear the persecutions of Quraysh, then our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, allowed them to move to Abyssinia. The king of Abyssinia was known as Najashi, Negus. In the 5th year of prophethood, 16 people, including 4 women, migrated to Abyssinia. Later on, our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, allowed some other people to go to Abyssinia. This time, the total number of Muslims reached about 101, including 18 women and children. This migration made the Quraysh afraid of the Muslims. They sent a deputation under the leadership of Amr bin al-As to Najashi to get these Muslims back. Amr bin al-As informed Najashi that they are Muslims and they have left our religion. Then Najashi asked the Muslims about their religion. Hazrat Jafar Tayyar represented the teachings of Islam in front of Najashi. Najashi refused to return the Muslims and returned back the gifts of Quraysh. The main reason behind the migration of Abyssinia was the persecution of the Quraysh. It was possible for Muslims to practice Islam freely over there in Abyssinia. Most of the Muslims joined our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, after the migration to Medina, while the rest of them called to join the Muslims in 7th Hijri. Please don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
What did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, do to protect the Muslims from the disbelievers of Quraysh? Let's read here some questions and answers. The two migrations to Abyssinia. Here we have the information about the two migrations to Abyssinia. How did the king of Abyssinia, Najashi, deal with the Muslims? Let's link to the hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Let's link it to the Sirah, also to the Islamic values. Describe here the coexistence in migration to Abyssinia. What are the difficulties that faced the Muslims in their trip to Abyssinia? Summarize the reasons for the migration of Muslims to Abyssinia. Our activity: give a reason linking to UAE and linking to reality. Circle the correct. At the end of the lesson, our plenary. Thank you, my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.